Thank you for joining this quick how-to video brought to you by Salesforce Support. To see more content like this, hit subscribe. In this video, we are going to learn about how to create a sharing set which allows customer users to view cases. This is a common scenario when working with self-service communities and granting access to cases is not available via manual sharing or sharing rules as a result of the customer community users not having a role. In order to proceed, there are some required steps in order to set up the sharing set successfully. First, ensure that the case object is set to private under sharing settings and setup. This will ensure the case object will be available when creating the new sharing set. Lastly, we need to set up the profile that will be used in the sharing set to have at least read access to the case object. Once those are complete, we can create our sharing set. Let's review the case record we intend to grant access to and verify that the user is not able to see the case. Here's our case record. Let's click onto the contact. Now, we need to log into the community as the user. To do that, select the Log into Community as User button. Once in the community, select Cases from the navigation menu. As we can see, we're already on the All Open Cases list view and there are no items to display. Let's log out. Now that we're back into the internal organization, let's go ahead and set up our sharing set. Go ahead and click on to Setup, and then in the Quick Find box, type in Communities Settings. Click on Community Settings. Scroll down and then locate Sharing Sets. Click New. Go ahead and give your sharing set a label and a name, and then select your profile to be selected in the sharing set. For this, we're going to go ahead and select the Custom Customer User Profile. Click Add. Now, we need to select the object that's going to be selected for the sharing set. In this case, we're going to select Case. Click Add. Now let's set up the sharing set access. Click on Setup under Configure Access. Under Grant Access Where, User equals contact matches target case equals contact. Access level is then read only. What this means is that the user contact must match the target case contact in order to grant read on that record. Click Update. And then Save. We scroll down, we can see the sharing set is now active. Let's navigate back to that contact record. And let's log back into the community as that user. Click on Cases in the navigation menu. And as you can see in the list view, with the case is now visible, we can click on that record and it loads. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this demonstration of creating a sharing set helpful. If you have any questions, please visit the Salesforce Help portal where you can find great resources including communities, documentation, trails, or you can also contact support. Happy trailblazing!